Want to make a natural face cream with no harmful ingredients? Eyes might be scared, but hands get it done. How to make natural face cream if you're not a cream maker. I'm Angela. I'll show you how to make cosmetics the easy way. It's time to prepare the natural ingredients. Let's prepare a hyaluronic gel. Mix the hyaluronic acid with the hydrosol and set aside while we prepare the cream. Mixing the fatty ingredients. Mixing the water phase. We heat both phases to a hot temperature so that the entire fat phase melts and becomes liquid and hot. Mixing the fat and water phases using a small mixer. When the mixture thickens, continue whisking with a small hand whisk. Add the following to the already prepared, but still warm, cream. Mix well, then add Cosguard and mix thoroughly. Here it is, our moisturizing, nourishing, and regenerating cream, made by hand from natural ingredients. Thanks for watching. Your like and follow mean the world.